Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today we're in Akaroa, and this is the AKAROA Wharf, where you can go on the dolphin sightseeing tours. You can take the drone up and just go along this little wharf and have a look at the area.
Your drone didn't get eaten by the seagull?
Yeah, they were trying to attack it. I thought I was going to lose it for a minute.
Yeah, you must have thought it was a small bird.
Yeah, I did it over in the other one. It did the same thing as well. I just about lost it there. They were diving on it. I was lucky though. Yeah. Yeah. It's my lucky day. The seagulls were trying to attack it.
That would have been amazing footage, eh?
Yeah, well, yeah. I would have lost it, but
that's a Maverick, or what is
this? Is a it's a DJ, just a mini pro. Have you got one? Have you?
No, I haven't. I just keep watching people having these things.
Oh, right.
But you know, it's getting more and more restrictive in New Zealand to fly them. I don't know if you even need a permit here.
I've downloaded all the requirements. You can't go there.
Yeah.
You can go, but you can. You're allowed to go here.
Okay, right.
I've looked at that.
Yeah,
I've looked at that.
Yeah, because it's getting very restrictive.
Yes. So I know you can't do it over roads, and I've got the permission of it. I did that yesterday over there with the Rhino. You know the Rhino walk? The Rhino walk over there?
No.
Oh, it's fantastic. You should do that.
What,
you can walk up. See that little little house thing up on the hill there?
Yeah.
What do you mean? The little shed on the left. Way in the distance, a long way in the hill.
Yeah.
Just to the right of that, there's a rhinoceros made out of metal.
Yeah.
And the owners of the property allow tourists to walk up to the top, work through the rainforest, right up to there, and they gave you permission to film. Fly, because they own all this property here, the whole lot.
Wow.
So, but you got to have permission. So, if you want the keyring, guys, it'll just be behind this sign here. I've hit another keyring at the wharf, and it's just hanging in this tree here. Walk down here. Just on this branch. You can see it just hanging there. Good luck in finding it, and if you want a keyring, help yourself.